and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this palette right here, Pop Zombie by Ruby May. This is an indie brand and let's see, yeah, not too much I can say. This is from, I thought it was California. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But it is cruelty free, so yeah, that's exciting. This is the palette that came in that, and back ingredients, and then you open it up here, has a mirror, I'm covering the mirror, and then those are the colors. So before I try to put all of them on the face, I'm going to swatch them. Alright, so those are the colors swatched right there. Really vibrant. That's why I have really vibrant lip color on. Of course my whole face is done. See, there you go, you can see the palette and the colors very much so apply almost exactly like you see in there, so they're very pigmented. But yeah, I am going to attempt to put all 9 on my eyeballs. This is not a tutorial, this is to see how well they work and blend and all that kind of thing. So I beg of you, do not try to put 9 eye colors on your eyes. I mean, you can, but it's crazy. But I'm going to go ahead and go into this and we'll see what we create. I am going to start off with Brains, this pink color right here. Okay, first color down. Second color we're going to go into is Pop right here, this really pink color, because I am going to build everything on top of that. Okay, super pink. I think I'm gonna go in with Virus, this orange color right here on the sides. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with Pus right here in the inner corner. Okay, so now I think I am going to go with Plague, and then I'm going to go in with Corpse. Okay, so I have used all except these bottom colors here, and I'm going to go under the eyes with Ghoul and Undead, and then I'm going to kind of trace the eyes with this. Okay, so you can see that I used this color right here as a bottom liner, and I had to be very delicate because obviously powder eyes, you know the drill. So I have that for the bottom liner, and for the top liner I am going to go in with Blickety Blackety by Hank and Henry, and I will be back. Okay, eyeliner is on. Now I'm going to do mascara. I'm going to use 2 mascaras. I am going to use Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions first, and then I'm just going to go over the outside tips with Big Ego by Tarte. the finished look. My lighting sucks, sorry about that. I'm trying to adjust it, not working. Sun's going down, it's getting dark, not looking so great. But anyways, there's the finished look. See that? Very bright. Anyways, yeah, that's the palette. Again, those are the colors. I made them work. I think it turned out all right for 9 really, really different colors. My thoughts, okay. I feel like the pinks were a little dry, but that might be my eyes because my skin's acting a little funny. But I felt that this was a very good palette. There's a little bit of fallout, not a lot. I felt the glitters were a different quality than the mattes, but they were all really good. I liked it. And would I recommend it? Yes, I would. It is, like I said, it is good. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in this palette so you can go and check it out. I was not sponsored, am not affiliated. I just wanted to try it. I thought it was a cute palette. I mean, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Anyways, that is it. Again, great palette. A little bit of fallout, but I mean, everything blends well. It's not patchy. I didn't have any issues with it other than, like I said, a little fallout. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and otherwise, I will see you in the next video.